$39 versus $349. One's a compact blender made for everyday smoothies. The other is a premium machine built specifically for frozen drinks. But is the Ninja SLUSHi really worth 9 times the price of the Magic Bullet? Do you really need to spend $349 to enjoy smooth, icy drinks at home? Or can the budget-friendly Magic Bullet hold its own? In this video, I compare Magic Bullet and Ninja SLUSHi, side-by-side power, texture, ease of use, and cleanup, and reveal which one actually delivers the best value. Stay with me till the end because I'll share key details most people miss, and it could save you hundreds of dollars. Links to both the products are in the description. Let's take a close look at how they compare across real-world categories that matter. Starting with power and performance, the Magic Bullet is equipped with a modest 250-watt high-torque motor, making it well-suited for simple tasks like blending soft fruits, making sauces, or whipping up protein shakes. It's perfect for quick, single-serve use, but it lacks the muscle for crushing ice, handling frozen fruit directly, or making thick smoothies without assistance. In contrast, the Ninja SLUSHi doesn't rely on motor wattage in the same way. Instead, it features a revolutionary rapid chill technology, which uses an internal cooling cylinder and rotating auger to chill and churn liquids into frozen drinks with no ice needed. This process gives you ultra-smooth slushies without dilution, something even high-end blenders struggle with. It also comes with Whisper Chill compressor technology that maintains optimal chilling temperatures while staying remarkably quiet. For performance alone, especially in the frozen drink category, the Ninja SLUSHi is in a class of its own. When it comes to capacity, the differences become even more obvious. The Magic Bullet is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.3 pounds and standing under 12 inches tall. It comes with multiple cups, a tall cup, short cup, and party mug, designed for individual servings. This makes it ideal for people living in small apartments, dorms, or anyone who needs a small footprint blender that's easy to store and clean. On the other hand, the Ninja SLUSHi is built for large batch servings with its massive 88-ounce, 2.6-liter vessel. It's made for sharing, perfect for families or parties. Its larger size means it takes up more space on the counter, but that's the trade-off for batch-friendly drink production that can serve multiple people in one go. In terms of functionality and controls, the Magic Bullet is incredibly simple. It doesn't have buttons or digital displays, just twist, press, and blend. This no-frills design makes it beginner-friendly, but also limits what it can do. There are no presets or timers, so everything is manual and based on your judgment. For many users, that's part of the charm. Just plug it in, add ingredients, and press. The Ninja SLUSHi, by contrast, is loaded with smart features. It offers 5 automatic presets tailored for frozen drink. There's also adjustable texture and temperature controls, allowing you to fine-tune the thickness of your drinks. Whether you want a light, icy treat or a thick frozen dessert, the SLUSHi can deliver it. No guesswork required. That's a huge advantage for users who want plug-and-play simplicity without sacrificing control or quality. Cleaning and maintenance are easy with both machines. The Magic Bullet's parts, including the cups and blades, are dishwasher safe and incredibly easy to rinse by hand. With fewer components, it takes only a few seconds to clean up after each use. The Ninja SLUSHi also features dishwasher safe parts, and its easy fill vessel, detachable lid, and removable drip tray make it straightforward to clean despite being a larger, more complex machine. Build quality is another important distinction. The Magic Bullet is constructed from high-impact plastic, making it durable enough for light, occasional use. It's a lightweight, affordable tool, not a heavy-duty appliance. On the other hand, the Ninja SLUSHi has a premium build that feels solid and high-end. With sturdy materials, metal accents, and a well-designed base, it looks and performs like a luxury product. Its quiet compressor and stable construction make it a more serious appliance, one that you'll likely leave on your countertop instead of hiding in a drawer. Now let's talk about versatility. The Magic Bullet is perfect for small, simple tasks, from smoothies and omelets to dips and dressings. It's best when used with soft ingredients and liquids, and it excels at fast, one-person meals. However, it's not designed for icy drinks, nut butters, or frozen desserts. The Ninja SLUSHi, meanwhile, is surprisingly versatile in a different way. It's not for chopping or blending solid food, but if you're into drinks, it offers unmatched flexibility. You can turn juice, soda, or milk into gourmet slushies. Whether you're prepping for a party or just want a frozen treat after dinner, the Ninja SLUSHi delivers fun and flavor every time. From a real-world feedback perspective, the Magic Bullet is often praised for being compact and easy to use. Its simple design makes it easy to store and clean. However, some users report durability issues after a few months of use. That said, the brand does offer a 1-year 1-year limited warranty. In contrast, the Ninja SLUSHi shines when it comes to making frozen drinks. Users love how fast it turns liquids into slush and how well it maintains the icy texture. It's a hit for summer hangouts and weekend gatherings. While it's priced higher, under $350, most customers feel it delivers great value. Warranty support is available through customer service. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, single-serve blender for smoothies, sauces, or shakes, and you're okay with limited power and basic functionality, the Magic Bullet is a great everyday companion. But if you're interested in premium frozen drinks, love to entertain, or want a high-tech appliance that can create slushies and frozen coffees with no ice dilution, the Ninja SLUSHi is hands down the better choice. It's designed for fun, versatility, and reliability. All the best buying links are in the description. You can buy from Amazon. Thank you.